Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk through how to use AI sourcing in Recruit CRM to find and add candidate profiles directly from across the internet without leaving the platform. To access AI sourcing, go to the candidate list page from the left sidebar inside Recruit CRM. From here, click the AI sourcing button at the top. This opens the AI sourcing interface, where you can start searching for candidate profiles. Using AI sourcing, you can search for candidates with natural language, voice commands, or advanced keyword filters. Here, you can review matching profiles, enrich them with publicly available information, and instantly add them to your Recruit CRM database. Let's start with the AI search. With AI search, you can simply type a natural language description of the kind of candidate you're looking for. For example, a CSA with SaaS experience based in India. You can also use the voice assistant to speak your search query instead of typing it manually by clicking the mic here. Once it turns green, you can speak, and it will automatically type the data for you. You also have multiple language options to choose from. Open the drop-down and select the specific language you want the search to use. Once you've described the candidate you want, click the Search Candidate option. After you run the search, Recruit CRM scans publicly available online profiles and displays the most relevant candidate leads. From here, you'll be able to view multiple candidates. Each search page displays up to 20 candidate profiles, and every page viewed consumes 1 search credit. Now let's look at the actions you can perform once the candidate list is displayed. As you can see, the AI sourcing enriches profiles using publicly available LinkedIn information. This may include work history, education history, skills, candidate summary, LinkedIn profile URL, profile headline, location, and profile photo. It's important to note that email addresses and phone numbers are not scraped or enriched during this process. Now, let's look at what you can do from the candidate profile. Once your results are displayed, each page shows around 20 candidate cards. When you find a candidate you'd like to import, simply click the Add Candidate button on the candidate card. Recruit CRM will automatically enrich the candidate profile using publicly available LinkedIn information. If the candidate already exists in your database, you'll see the Update Candidate option instead of Add Candidate. When you click Update Candidate, a pop-up appears with 2 options to choose from. You can either choose Override and Update, which replaces all your existing information with the newly sourced data for that specific candidate, or just update the candidate, which only fills in missing information without overwriting existing details. After the candidate is added, click the View Candidate option to instantly open their profile inside Recruit CRM. From there, you can review it. Once you open it, another screen appears with the candidate details page information. From here, you can review the details, take actions, or navigate to the full candidate profile. Now, let's see how you can also bulk add candidates. To bulk add candidates, you can either select records individually by clicking the candidate cards or click the Bulk Select option. By default, the Bulk Select option selects the first 20 candidates on the page, allowing you to quickly import multiple profiles into your database at once. Now, let's talk about assigning candidates. You can also assign candidates directly to jobs from the AI sourcing result page. For individual candidates, click the drop-down arrow on the candidate card and select the Assign to Job option. Then choose the required jobs by checking boxes next to the job names and click the Assign button to assign all of them to jobs simultaneously. Recruit CRM also allows you to provide feedback on sourcing results. Simply hover over the candidate card and you'll see 2 feedback options. Choose the Thumbs Up option if the result is relevant, and choose the Thumbs Down option if the result isn't helpful. Your feedback goes directly to the team and helps improve AI sourcing accuracy over time. Now, let's see how you can filter AI-sourced candidates. To do that, go to the candidate list page from the left sidebar. Once you're here, click the Add Filter option. From there, choose the Source filter, type AI sourcing in the search bar, and hit Apply. This will automatically tag the source as AI sourcing inside the system. So, the candidates added through the AI sourcing option will be tagged accordingly. This makes it easy to identify where candidates were sourced from later on. Now, let's understand how credits work here. Credits are allocated per user and are included based on your subscription plan. Each page viewed consumes 1 search credit. If you want to purchase additional credits and use more AI sourcing credits, click on Admin Settings from the left sidebar and scroll all the way to Data Enrichment. Once you open the Data Enrichment option, to allow AI sourcing to consume data enrichment credits, make sure the toggle beside the AI sourcing button is turned on. Once enabled, the system can automatically use enrichment credits when your free AI sourcing credits are exhausted. So, free plan users receive 20 credits. Your credits reset every month, and unused credits do not roll over. And that's it. That's how you can use AI sourcing in Recruit CRM to discover, enrich, import, and assign candidates faster and more efficiently.